If the H1N1 virus, though, were to go crazy and merge with the H5N1 and turn into this thing that could, where our vaccines fail, because our vaccines are making copies of what we know now.
Yeah.
If it were to mutate, then what does that do to the economy?
That's a wild card type thing. Another would be, the price of oil is spiking to $150.
That's Goldman Sachs, saying that oil will spike to $150. Now, what is a signal does the market need to see for them to wake up and find out that we're not recovering? We saw
That's
the
a good
housing
question.
numbers today.
Yeah. From the real economy, certainly, some of the signals that they look at are housing, unemployment, certainly GDP growth, productivity measures, and a very poor in one or more of these indicators will certainly shake the market. So far, the fact that unemployment has approached 9%, or even over 9% now, and has not spooked the market. Most people had expected in the vicinity of 10% before the growth stops, the rate of increase stops. People I know who are really knowledgeable about this subject of unemployment rates, it's not one of my specialties, say that it could go 11 or even higher than 11%. These are the same people who said it could go as high as 10. So they've actually upped their forecast of the peak of the unemployment rate. And if that becomes commonly believed, that will be a negative indicator. But it's usually something that you don't expect that spooks the market, so that it not only rises slowly toward a higher default rate, which is what I think will happen, but if some event happens like a big spike in the price of oil, or a problem in the pandemic we were talking about earlier privately, that was not expected, or some sort of international political terrorist issue really spooks the market, then those numbers I talked about could move even more quickly, almost instantaneously, back up to near record levels. And that might put the entire recovery on hold, which I think is not a trivial possibility.